Funny Bone Live Abuja. Responsible.
All right, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Can we clap for Serikin Daria? I don't clap, no clap. Okay, I understand why everybody go just come, just face. Once you climb here, now these two tables you see, and the way Dino dressed like coach, they will just they face you up and down. My job is very simple, to call the owner of the event today. But before I do that, when we get this kind of gathering, we will advise ourselves. Wike, FCT minister now. And he has made it clear that every building that is not on the master plan is going. I want to advise 3 people. Because that's when Wike talk. I know Wike is talking to some people. Because I'm not Wike's problem. Even in my house, not the master plan, it go pass. I want to advise PDP secretariat in zone 5. I hope it's on the master plan. Because if not, it will go. Advice number 2, Dino Melaye. That your house in Metama, I hope it's on the master plan. Because if not, it will go. What will pay you is that if Dino's house go, that they'll say, that your mansion, small children going to play for them. Your house will now turn a town more different. That's why I love Dino. Since when Wike become minister, Dino no talk again. As Dino here, it will go. Dino just went. Then before, Dino going to post picture. They put chilling in Metama. Now, he go say chilling in Lokoja. Where do you live? He's trying to distract Wike. I'm not there. You are not my minister. I understand. That's why I'm praying for you. Gently, may God help you. May you don't win governor. So you will now move to Lokoja because if you remain here, you know, they say, well, Wike dance, you dance. I don't know how tough you want to survive here. So my humble appeal is that one of you have to move, all right? Because Dino don't begin to press conference now. We cannot do press conference, but it's okay. Can we clap everyone in the hall? Thank you for coming out. I'd like to appreciate Oga Kubana. Not be chef, don't give us food with this. You carry your chef, come event. Oh, this will be Kubana, very nice man. This chef, they cook. When I see the guy, white guy, I say, wow, what a white man. I think that be Obi Kubana helper. You know, Oyibona, do you understand? Because the guy even there proud. He said, sorry, excuse me, I'm the chef. How can I help you? I say, I'm the one that will help you. You want to help me? I know it's Oyibo. What's your name again? Daram. What Karam? What country are you from? Lebanon. Not be Oyibo. I look for Oyibo. Show me. Which Lebanon? Lebanese. Let's say what is it? Who are you? I don't understand. You are the one that will come to Oyibo. Say after me, the boy there is Oyibo. Say it. I am Oyibo. Just tell people that I saw Oyibo where I went to, all right? You are just normal, all right? Laugh. It's a funny joke. Laugh. I don't know. I don't really know him walk. Before I go there, chook me knife.
It's Funny Bone Live. Responsible.